Welcome everybody to today's short English lesson. In this lesson we're going to dive into the world of consonant blends with the PL consonant blended sound. P-O, P-O, Po, Po. So, without further ado, let's begin. Place, place, place. We are going to have an Independence Day party at John's place this weekend. Plaid, plaid, plaid. She wore a plaid skirt to the picnic. Plane, plane, plane. We watched the plane land on the runway. Planet, planet, planet. People will live on the planet Mars in the future. Plate, plate, plate. Please put your dirty plate in the sink. Pleasant, pleasant, pleasant. We had a pleasant walk in the park. Plow, plow, plow. The farmer used a plow to prepare the field for his spring planting. Plum, plum, plum. I picked a ripe plum from the tree. Player, player, player. The soccer player scored the winning goal. Plot, plot, plot. The plot of the story was full of twists and surprises. And that's all for the consonant blend PL. I hope you'll practice this lesson, because if you do, your pronunciation and your vocabulary is going to improve dramatically over time. This is Robert from Riddick's English asking you to please like, comment, and share this video. And as always, we ask you to please subscribe to our channel so that we can continue to make these videos to help people with their English.